Hello, friends. Hopefully you guys are doing well and enjoying your summer and enjoying your opportunity to do some math work. This week's focus is on division. Specifically, we're going to be using partial quotients as our way to solve it. If those of you that want to use long division, that's fine. Personally, though, I'm going to focus on the partial quotient, mainly because long division focuses on your multiplication facts, where partial quotients focuses on your numeracy and understanding of just how numbers work. We're going to solve this problem, 1,250 divided by 15. And then we're also going to show how you can use inverse operations, which is the multiplication, to double check your work. So then you'll know whether you got your answer correct or not. So let's first look at it. So we have okay, so if we think about this, I know I could do 15 tens, so that's only 150. That's not very much. I would rather do, because I know 15 fours is 60, so 15 40s would be 600. So that leaves me with 650. Oh, wait a second, I could do that again. 15 40s, which is again is 600. Leaves me with 50. I know 15 threes is 45. So ultimately I have a total of 83 with the remainder of 5. That's assuming we didn't make a mistake. So let's double check ourselves, make sure an error wasn't made. So let's use multiplication. So we know we had 83 15s, right? We had a remainder of 5 plus 5. So if we use area model, so 80 tens is 800. 10 threes is 30. 5 threes is 15. 5 80s is 400. Hello, now let's add all these up. So we have 800, 400, 30, 15. Now that gives us a total of 1,245. Remember, we had a remainder of 5, so we have 5 left over. So we had 5 back. It gives us 1,250. And that's our original number. So that works. So anyway, hope all is well. Hopefully this will help guide you through the division week this week. And again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please send me an email and I'm happy to answer any questions. Okay? Thanks, guys. Talk to everybody soon. Bye-bye. So if we take our 83 15s plus our remainder of 5, that should give us our original value of 1,250. So I'm going to use area model to do this out. Just double check ourselves. So 80 tens is 800. 85s is 400. 10 threes is 30. 5 threes is 15. So when I add this all up, we have 800 plus our 400 plus our 30 plus our 15. So we add this all up, we're left with 1,245. But it's, remember, we had a remainder of 5, so we had 5 left over. So if I have 5, 2, the 1,245 plus 5 gives us 1,250, so then we know we did it correctly. So enjoy yourself this week as you work on division problems. Like I said, I did partial quotient first, because that way you can work with friendly numbers to solve it. And then I just turned around and did the inverse of that, which is multiplication, to double check my work to confirm I didn't make a mistake. Hopefully all's well, and we will see you again next week. Thanks.